All right, so the ones you need to do are select quadratic roots, select quadratic given the roots. Okay, so here we go. Select equation from graph the roots. Okay, so in this case, we'll zoom out just a little bit. Which of these is the answer to this? How do I know?
You FOIL?
I could, but that's way too much work. Do I know one solution is -2?
Yes.
Yes.
And one solution is -3, correct?
Yes.
So if I know -2, if x equals -2 and x equals -3, all right. Oh
It's
my
the
God.
top left one.
In
You
this
narrowed
case,
it down to 2.
what's that?
It's one of the 2.
Yeah. So in this case, can I turn these solutions back into factors by adding 2 or adding 3? X plus 2, x plus 3. So which answer is it? It's going to be that
Bottom
guy
left.
right there, right?
Yes.
Here's how I know. How many times does it cross the x-axis? Twice, correct? And so this one is out because it crosses 1, 2, 3 times. That's no bueno. No bueno. And why is it this, not this? Because if the solution is -2, if I move it over, the factor becomes x plus 2. All right, so that's how you're going to do that one. Extreme value. So here's a question. Quadratic formula shown below has a minimum or a maximum, then determine the minimum maximum. How do I know if it has a min or a max?
If A is positive or negative.
That's it. Since A is positive, it opens
Up.
up. So folks, if you can see my screen, if it opens up, do I have a minimum or a maximum?
Minimum.
Yeah, minimum because it's at the bottom, correct? Now, how do I find the minimum value? What point is at the bottom of a parabola?
The vertex.
The vertex. So find the vertex opposite of b over 2a and plug it in. Opposite of b over 2a and plug it in. So in this particular case, -5 over 2 times 1. So it's -5 halves. What do I need to do to find the y value? Well, plug it in. -5 halves squared plus 5 times -5 halves plus 4. And go finish this problem and it'll tell you the answer. Okay? Now, next on the agenda. Graphing a quadratic linear system. Do we have to do that? Yep. Okay, graphing a quadratic in a linear system. Well, how do I figure out how to graph this guy? Well, didn't we just do that together? Pause. Greg, identify yourself. Thank you, Greg. All right. Cool. Back to what we were doing. All right. Screen 2. Okay. Okay. This right here. Can everybody see the parabola on the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So can I do my 5 steps to graph that? Hello? Somebody besides Corin. Hello? Okay, so if I wanted to graph this super fast, I say A equals 1, B equals 8, C equals 16. Graph him up, which means I'm going to say opposite of B, or sorry, B squared minus 4AC. So I got 64 minus, that's also 64. So that's 0. So those are going to be real, equal, and so I'm going to say -8 plus or minus 0 all over 2 times 1, which is -4. So I graph it at 1, 2, 3, 4, -4 here. All right, now, by the way, let me show you what I'm up to. So all I do is I found my discriminant. Ooh, it's 0. Plug it in, find my solutions. There it is. I know it opens up, so it's going to look like this. So what do I need to do? Well, I got X, I got Y. -4 comma something, -4 comma 0. So let's go -5, and let's go -3. So if I go -5, -5 squared. Oh, wrong. There it is. Yeah, -5 squared plus 8 times -5 plus 16. 25 minus 40 plus 16. That is that's positive 41. So it's 5 comma 1. This is going to be -3 comma 1. All right, so move it over 4, -3 comma 1, or -5 comma 1. There's my parabola. How do I graph a line, ladies and gentlemen?
You just plug in for X.
Thank you. So solve the following systems of equations. The coordinate set. There are going to be, I don't know how many solutions yet. How do I graph this line? You can move the parabola by clicking the line, graph the line by clicking twice. 1, 2. There we go. All right, so down 5 and down 1, 2 over 1. There you go. How many solutions do you see? How many times do they cross?
Twice.
There you go. And the answer is at -3. And where's the other place they cross? -7. So little review there. Back to algebra 1. Whoa. Oh, I'm stupid. Look what I got wrong, guys. What did I do wrong?
You didn't put Y value.
Yeah, I put the X's, not the Y's. Okay. So make sure you put your Y values in it. All right, what else is over in here? Solve quadratic linear systems. Did that one. Extreme value from the equation. All right, what would be the easiest way to solve this without graphing? Easiest way to solve this one without graphing, guys. Well, there are 3 ways I can solve. I can graph stuff. I can use elimination or combination. Which one is going to work for us best here?
Elimination.
I'm sorry, I'm stupid. Elimination or substitution?
Substitution, since you have Y by itself in both of them.
Now, by the way, I could totally have done it by elimination, but let's do substitution, because if Y equals this, can I simply say 2x plus 5 equals x squared minus 19? So 0 equals x squared minus 2x minus 24. And then factor them up. X, what goes in here? What do I get? Minus
X
6
minus
plus
6,
4.
X plus 4.
Yeah, x equals 6, x equals -4. Now, by the way, let's do combination real fast. Combination, I need something to go away. Well, those aren't going to go away. They're not even like terms. But can I make the bottom here negative? Those cancel out. 0 equals negative, or equals x squared minus 2x minus 24. Yep, that'll do it. And so then I get x equal, or so I get x minus, did I mess it up? No, okay. Yeah, x minus 6, x plus 4, and I still get the same answer. So either way I solve. Algebra 1, guys, straight up algebra 1. And so what do we come up with? We 6 and negative 4. 6 and negative 4. So there are two solutions. Answer is 6 and negative 4. Now, how come I would get it wrong if I plugged it in like this? 6 comma what? Negative 4 comma what? Woo!
Hold up, Mr. Moore. What just happened?
I forgot a negative.
Okay. You're okay.
Yeah,
It
I
also
forgot.
wants you to have parentheses.
Yeah, I don't think, okay, yeah, probably put parentheses. I don't know if the parentheses were the problem, but I guarantee that negative is the problem. Does that make sense? So what they do, they substituted just like we did, then found the values. All right, that should walk you through the remainder of the help files. Okay, guys?